Okay, so today we're going to unboxing the Primo water dispenser. Now, I got this in Walmart for 19.95, I believe. Um, the reason why is that it can fit the 3 gallons and the 5 gallon, and when this is rechargeable, you recharge it and then you put on top just like that right there. um, the Prima water that you can refill using the Walmart. You can also refill them, or you can buy them like the whole jug, and then when you return the jug, they'll refund you the bottle, sort of like, a bunch of others, like um, Home Depot water and things like that. But the reason why I like these is like because recently we starting to use the filtered water from the store, because we usually buy like bunches of water, and some bottled, it makes me sick. So I don't really like it, especially the plant bottle. That makes me really sick. So I started to use these bottles. And also too is that there is an American made 5 gallon and 3 gallon bottles that actually have BPA free. So that's when we start to fill them in the PBA free bottles from Walmart. So I decided to get this, so it make life a little easier, because we've been pouring it out. We pour it to a little jug, and then from the jug it has a little dispenser, and then we pour from there, and that's just too much work. So today I got this today here. And if you can see on the side, it says like this is the pre-filled exchange water, where you can go and get it, and you drop it in here, and then you get your water, blah blah blah. But for us, we actually have we go to Walmart to get the water from there, and that's been pretty good so far. I really like it. We got the 3 gallons ones because it's easiest to store, and it's easy. It's lighter to grab, and it has a handle on them. It's easy to grab and everything. So every 2 weeks or so, we go and refill them. So we've been pouring them out the bottle. So today, we decided to get these, so it make our life easier. So I'm gonna unbox this so you can see, just in case you want one of these. It was there was another hand pump which I didn't like, because it's kind of bulky. So I didn't like that. And actually, it fits on top of the American made bottle as well. Just remember that. They give you coupons in here. I guess these are the instructions. Supposedly, they give you. This is from the USB port. You plug it in so you can charge it. And then they give you a look here. There's a flex tube. There's a stainless steel spout, flex tube, and a charger, a USB micro charger, and then the unit itself. So I'm gonna see that. Unbox these, and that's the. I guess that's the tube itself. And here's a stainless steel sprout. And there's a charger. I'm going to try to neaten this up a little bit. For myself. Because I have to put this later. So I guess, that's kind of neat. It's only like this right here. And then it just fits right on top of it, I guess. Well, pretty good design. It says pull here for use. So I guess it's a little pull tab that where the batteries are. And then I guess that's the USB port. Yeah, that's where you would charge. I guess you plug in to charge. And then this is the spout. Oh, leave that on, I guess. The spout right here. Try to plug that in. Yeah, it's like a, I guess it's like a washer. Sorry, lighting's not good. It acts like a washer, which is pretty good. There is a filter right here, like a screen right there. Whoops. There's a screen there. Let me get the off camera so I can. Yeah, you have to push it in really tight. If you push it in really tight right there. But I guess that's it. Then this part here, I guess this is gonna go underneath, I guess. Yep, just a regular tube. It's flex tube. I hope these are PBA free. I'm gonna read that later, see if it says PBA free. Yeah. So then you just insert it into here, I guess. Yep. So it's like a flex tube. Sorry if I'm not on camera. I'm not used to doing this stuff. Yep, that's where you would put it in. And then the rest just go into the tank. I do have a tank right behind me. I'm not going to test that one out yet. But yeah, that's enough wire right there. So yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to test this out. Let's see. Okay. Can you feel it? Yep, you can feel it. Let me try to trap this in. Yep. So it's like a self-priming pump, I guess, in there. So if you want it on, you turn it on. You want it off, just press it off, I guess. That's pretty easy. I'm not gonna return it, so I'm gonna take that off. The specs on here, it says non-submersible, 5 watts, and it's 5 volt. That's the model on that right there, in case you need it. But I guess that's it. It's pretty neat. I actually like it. Gonna make life a lot easier, I guess. Anything else you need to know? That's Spanish on that side. So let's see. It says portable electronic pump dispense great tasting water at the push of a button. Sets in minutes, which are designed to fit 3 and 5 gallon bottles, not included deluxe. Dispense more than 25 gallons on every single charge. So 25 gallons on every single charge, so it would be 3 gallons, so like 10 more, a little bit over 10 of those. Dispense water while charging. Oh, you can do that too. Long-lasting lithium battery and LED indicator. I guess that's it. I'm going to show you the UPC just in case you need it. Right there, just in case you need to scan it in. I hold it right there. Right there. Just in case you need to scan that in. And I guess that's about it. The only thing I would like to know, though, it's if this is PBA free, I guess is medical. It acts like this tube right here. That's what I'm talking about. It's like a medical tube. Like, you know, those medical devices that they use in hospitals and stuff. So, I guess that's about it. It says not all accessories included picture in this package product. On the picture indicated water dispense only. Do not use with other liquids. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Yep, that's it's on the package. Anything else on here? Just precautions. Telling you how to operate. That's the instructions right there. Yeah. Then it tells you the cleaning and maintenance right there. Just tell you to wipe with the damn cloth. It says at least once a year, run warm water and lemon juice solution, long quarts of water, 2 ounces of lemon juice through the pump. Flush it with 2 quarts of clean water. The flex tube is dishwasher safe. I can clean that myself, but that would be nice to, instead of cleaning through, just put lemon juice in there. That's a pretty neat idea. The rest is just wiped with a damn cloth. So yeah, that's it then. I actually like it. But anyway, I hope if you're getting one of these, I hope it'll be useful to you for $20. And for me, it's well worth it because you just take this, drop it into another bottle. And like I said, down here, I tested earlier. I tested the one that's on display that they have, and it actually fits right on the bottle. I took a bottle from the shelf and I put it in, and it actually fits pretty nice, right? Fit perfectly in there. There's 3 like a rubber thing, and it fits perfectly on there. It doesn't move or anything either. So I'm glad I did, and that's what made me choose this thing. But other than that, I guess that's it, because that's it on this one.